Hi guys, welcome back to the Lewis family. It's your girl Cheryl this morning. So I'm just giving you a walkthrough of what my daily life is. Starting off today, we're gonna cook. I'm gonna cook fried dumplings and some plantains. I have those plantains from, so I don't know the condition it's going to be, but I'm going to decipher it out. And also I am going to do some Jamaican, as I say, tin mackerel, dirty gal, whatever you call her. But yes, that's what I'm going to do this morning. Quick, simple. And so I'm going to show you my method. A pot. So sometimes I prefer different places to do it. Sometimes people do it over there, sometimes people do it over there. So it all depends. Yeah, I want you guys to see the full exclusive of it. I'm turning. This is a hot from Grace in mackerel, and this is a regular. And you know, your mommy, you have a juggle, and then this is a regular. So this is the classic, as they say. We should have said no spice, nothing to this. Which this one, it says hot. Can you see? Let me zoom in. Hot and spicy. My son wake up. He was a mess. Had to tone him, you know, cool him down, calm him down. So he was listening to some Baby Shark. Oh. So this says 1/3 scoop that I have in here. But I just put it in there because I decided that it's the easy way to scoop out the flour. So it's not necessarily measurement why I'm doing this. I just freehand mix my flour. So I just put some in there. Right? Voila. So for me, it's an OCD thing. I don't like to see things all over, so I'm putting it back. So just give me a sec. Let me put back my stuff, okay? So it's the baking flour. So it's already having everything, your baking powder, it has in salt, so we don't need any salt in there. If you do, you can add a little sugar to it. It all depends how you feel, but today I'm just doing it plain. So I'm not adding any sugar to this. So I'm just gonna knead it as it. Let it sit for like 1 to 2 minutes, and then so I'm going to knead it. So you guys, let me show you when I'm kneading it. All right. All right, there we go. So you see me kneading. So actually don't start kneading till everything comes together, because that way you don't want it to get too, you know, hard. So I was only carrying everything around to get everything in one. It's all done. Let me show you guys. So it's all done. So I let it sit and rest for like 2 minutes. You know, just to make sure it's everything comes together and it rise. You know, because all of this. Remember, there's things in there. But the things that will make flour rise. Forgot. Listen, I just woke up. You know what I'm talking about. Yes. So I have some planting, as they call them, platanos. Yeah. So we're going to do this as well. So I'm going to get started and getting my seasoning ready before I start frying my dumplings, because I don't want, have to be, remember, mommy mode. You have to juggle. Right? You have to juggle. Pick up yourself both, because you're large. I already made some free ones. I was dropping them right in. Yard food. Always say yard food. Everything look good, everything else. How come together? Snapshot. No snapshot in the kitchen. Food with the pan. Serious thing. Yes. More. You say a prayer? But you need to bless your meal. What if me want to run a day?
I want to bless for the message that means
I'm lazy. When I go to school, everybody at the class they run and close their eyes and say prayer. No one prayer in the kitchen, I go up in the classroom and say no one prayer for no work. You pick them. Everybody bless them when you see. So when you get the theory, they say one prayer for everything.
one prayer for food.